Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love, blessed love. Welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. I know because guys, it's a rainy day here in Seaview. As you can see, water. Yeah, so it's a rainy day here in Seaview, guys. So, you know, I'm just gonna ask one and few of the residents that lives here in Seaview Garden, what are the favorite memories about leaders' Kayas. Hello, Corinne. How are you doing? Yeah, they are ready. So, Corinne, come and answer that question. Let me ask you a question. Me ask you a question. I be having a man show. You know a leader, right?
Yeah.
You know, you can remember one of your favorite memories.
Yeah, man, I'm cool, man. I'm cool. I'm ever pleasant.
Yeah.
Always pleasant. You ever smile on him face, you know?
That's
if him in trouble and everything, you can't know. Him just keep on smiling.
Yes, that's true. That's one of the things we always said about him.
Yeah.
You know, always smiling.
And when him in trouble, you can't know if him vex, bleeder. Yeah, you can't know. Him ever have a pleasant face.
Yeah.
When the world upon him shoulder, you can't know.
You can't know. Oh? No. So we are going to ask Roger, you know, dumpling man is here. Dumpling. You know.
Rainy weather.
It's raining.
Yeah, it's raining. It's raining.
So Roger, what are one of the favorite memories you can remember with leader will always make you smile? You know?
Well, he's a juvenile guy. Yeah. And as a youth like this, him not too in no mix up. Him like stay by himself. You know what I mean, and them own thing.
Yeah.
Him very quiet.
True.
But that's how him stay.
Yeah.
You see me, that's a part of life. You can't do nothing about it.
Yes.
You see me? What just happen? You see me, I say? And them thing there. But what I'm trying to say, Tino, when you don't hear anything else, what they set or what plans making or whatever.
Well, I guess them say them go, they say they're going to do the autopsy. You know, which is we know say him drown.
Yeah.
You know, but then say it's a government thing.
Yeah, so them what?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
the date already set for the autopsy. You know, so once they're done with the autopsy, then we can set a date for the funeral.
Yeah, but me to say next month I'm birthday, so me I say I wonder if them are going to bury him on his birthday.
Well, I don't think it would be a good idea. Okay, you know, want to celebrate two of them one time, right?
Yeah, or them can bury him before
and then still celebrate his birthday.
Yeah. Let them do it. So.
Yeah, so let me say we have a group, Lodi set up a group, you know, with who can always state them mind as well too. What them think about anything that we're doing, you know. So guys, we're just gonna walk around and ask some of the favorite memories someone can remember about the leader's because the leader is a guy where he's always laughing, you know, he's always jovial as what you say. It's not a guy where you would pass and see him vex or anything, you know. As the lady said, even if him vex, he wouldn't even know. You know, so most people can't always remember him making them smile. You know. But me I tell you, one time I can remember with leader one time we had play football out here, so right on the side I really pick. And then we say leader, run come out there, say him a striker. You know, and leader have one jersey was so tight and watch him belly big already. Leader belly push right out and it's so tight till the jersey can't even fit him properly. It turned into belly skin. You know, and leader say I'm a striker. You know, leader is a goalkeeper. He's not a man to try to kick the ball in the net, you know. And when he was playing that day, like each time he get the ball to kick, and as him kick the jersey just fly up on the belly. Okay. Alright. Yes guys. I mean I said boy leader is something else, you know. Every time I remember that day when leader come out in a tight jersey, like wool and belly skin and show, as the man get the ball for kick the jersey just fly up on him. He might have to pull it back down each time. You know, so. When you tell me one of your favorite memory, where you can remember with leader will always make you laugh.
Oh, leader, I'm a gentleman. Leader, man, I have to big up leader, you see it?
Yeah.
Long live leaders. When I worst that never feel, man.
Trust.
Jaja, leader just gone left for so.
True.
Big keeper, man, always ready and vibes, you see me? Leader and a body youth or you see me? Good youth in our society.
Yes.
And a youth that we have to respect same way, you see it?
Trust.
Long live leader, man. John, feel it, man, when I say leader get washed, man.
Yeah, man.
They all a country over there, I say they find leader body, I say Jaja. Thank God they find the body still.
Yeah, it's true, true.
Greatest thing they find the body, but as I say, long live the general, you see me? Leader G, man.
See there.
Sorry, say that drop out, man.
Yeah.
They are good, and then tomorrow you're gone. That rough. Believe me, I tell you that, man.
Listen to the guys, everybody you speak to, they're gonna say the same thing. Is that youth were always smiling, you know.
Youth always smiling, man. They even see them man, they told look upon you and never negative, no. The alien go through, and if him stop and reason with you, you and him talk, and after a boss just move off, you know, say dog active.
Yeah.
Man, youth a problem or nothing. Yeah, no, man. Feel it for leader, man. Sure. Tell them, man, Kino.
Alright,
big up yourself in the Kino. Man, right thing I do, my G. Sure. Big up leader, long live, you see me, my G?
Yes, sir.
You're always in our thoughts, our memory.
Always.
Big up yourself, man.
Alright, big up. Alright, so me answer, guys, always gonna get that positive feedback about leader. Like, you literally, like, I don't know, literally have anything bad to say about this guy. Like, no one, you know. You say, if you know him yourself and you've been around living in CV, and once you've been around leader, like, this man always make you laugh. Him always cool. He's just something else, me I tell you. It's just that guy, you know. So, going around. Rhino, come here. You know, so I have to ask her. Today you're on the spot. You have to brush back the ball head. Yeah.
And sharp up.
Well, just to ask everyone, so you know, what are one of your favorite memories with leader? We always make you laugh. Cause you know, a man who always give jokes and things, you know.
Well, one of the favorite memories, you know, when we attack ball game, you know, always, you know, we are Manchester United, we say straight, so that's one of the things that we really miss, you know, me and him always talk about ball game and things about Man U, because you know, our side that, and thing, you know, leader is a fun person, even when him a key for the team, you know, him always a performer, you know, film style already, everybody has to run and him out, you see me, I'm going to truly miss, you know. But you don't know. A lot of memories. You see me, but specifically my personal with me and him, we always talk about Manchester United and how we want the team improve and them things there. You see me, even when match even when we get a win, I'll be laughing. So you know?
No,
leader
we are asking about. Yeah. Yes, guys, as I still say, anybody you speak to and ask about their favorite memory about leader, they're going to tell us that this guy is always jovial. Like everything, and we have one of the general as well too. We will look up to a big man, will set the positivity here in Seaview, you know. And we're going to ask him the same thing, one of them favorite moments he can remember with leader. You know?
No, well, I now go remember a lot of favorite moments with leader.
True.
Because from a long while, it's like would I say we bring him in a football. So whenever time he bring the side, because you know we are African, but we kind of support the German them.
Yes.
So whenever time him see me, he say, oh, that cleans. And I say leader. So but Mr. a great member of the community, a nice man, a disciplined youth. But you know, nobody know the end of time. So you have to just know, say, at the end of the day, you just try. We just do the right thing, and we lose leader. I just try not to lose all my life. The way they, but I have nothing bad to say about him. Cause we lose him father the other day, and we just come lose him now. So big man thing.
Sure.
Sorry, you see me, but God knows best, and the greatest thing we find him. So we can bury the body and all them things. Still,
Yeah. So guys, like I'm say it's always positivity about this guy, you know, that youth will make you laugh, you know, cause me remember if you out of the day right now we are play when time decide I already pick and then leader say my runner comes, say I play striker and him everyone his jersey were tight, you know. And I tell him belly are sure. Come on, say much.
One person, man, the man they always bring the vibe and the energy connect, you know.
And every time the man kick the ball, they see the jersey fly up on him there.
Yeah man, the man the vibes ever.
Yeah man, I got somebody that to miss man, and nice but
I
miss him man.
Yes I really know. So one done.
Yeah, after look straight.
And the man sit down with the autopsy, you know, before you know. So the date already set for that.
Oh, the autopsy.
Yeah.
And after the autopsy we know where I go.
Yeah, they will know where I go on. You know? So alright then. Yeah. Yes guys, so as I say, it was been raining, you know. And this is the field, you know, that we all play football on. As you can see the kids them is playing, you know. This is the field that we all play football on. So this is the field, you know. So I have to show the field here, you know, so the kids them they are playing. Remember rain just finished fall. So these are the fields right here now.
Look at my hey!
Go on. Yes guys, as I say, leader. Listen. Yeah. Oh Wiley, I'm indoors. Yeah. Wiley! Wiley bo! Rocking. Guys, leader is gonna really surely miss, you know, as we can tell you. He's gonna really surely miss. He's a youth who always a laugh, you know. Yeah, never a dull moment. So you know, more everyone does give them thoughts and what they think about leaders, Omar leaders, Kyers, you know it goes. Omar leaders, Kyers. So you know, so I get up on spot. Yes, guys, another general night place here. I know you think of asking the same thing, you know, more you tell them one of your favorite memory with the leader. We can always remember, we make you smile.
Well, me I tell them, man, leader one a winner.
Yeah.
In real life, man.
True.
You always say, man, ball game, anything winner, man. For party time, in there, man. One leader, man.
Yes.
Tell them, man.
Surely gonna miss, you know, for sure. I'm definitely gonna miss, you know.
Yeah, man, in real life, man. A salute to leader, man.
Yeah. And he's also one of the drivers that bring us as well to football. Yeah. As well, you know. Every Sunday we have football by Maryland. He's the driver that take us there as well too. So you know, it's really gonna miss.
Yeah, man,
you know.
Serious thing, man. One leader, man. Yeah. Very sad, man.
Very
tell him, man.
Boy, is this a boy? Still can't ask why, you know, but
just go and do it, man.
Yeah, for go and do it, you know. So that's ask, you know, my favorite memory anybody can remember about leader. You know, because you know it's a good youth that miss in the community. Blessed. Well. Being on the place to shop, you know. I road through, you know.
Yeah, man, do the thing, man.
I do some inside.
Yeah, big tap on all the scene, too.
Yeah.
Great big tap.
So, I take it already, man.
Take it already?
Yeah, I take everyone down the memory lane, one of them favorite memory them can remember with leader, you know.
A good youth still, you know.
True.
All I know is a good youth, a great youth, man, and I respect him.
Yeah.
For real.
See.
One love.
See there. So guys, say all they gonna use is positivity about leader because I use jovial, you know. I understand. So you don't know we have to give our input on each and every one because you know people surely missing.
Oh gosh,
you know?
man.
Surely
that
missing.
Is
Everywhere. I know we have the local pastry the same way in Seaview Garden where you can also get your ice cream, Devon House ice cream, you name it. cookie and cream, you have ice cream along the line. Tell them what them can get.
Yeah, we sell all jewelry, colognes, all type of stuff. We sell food. You can look on the menu board.
Alright, then sell food as well.
We sell variety of stuff, man.
So tell them exactly where you're located, you know, because them say from the inside.
I'm located at Seaview Garden, Phase 2 at Caribbean Sea Drive. Gritty, nitty-gritty.
Yes.
Yeah.
So guys, let me say, you know what I was going to come on a Sunday, people want to go Devanos. If they can't reach Devanos, there's Devanos here in Seaview Garden to come get a Devanos ice cream. You know what I mean?
Ah, man.
That is it. I have bigger top.
Yeah, man.
Alright, then in general, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So see the pastry here, it's called Judine's pastry. Right here. Come tell me one of your favorite memory you can remember with Leader. Come in.
We have the Leader.
Yeah.
But I remember we have the Leader, brother.
Sure.
I would have got 5 glass. We swim, brother. Over so. That Joe Leader nearly Joe. Come on, Lord. Help me. Yeah. So when the man got bushman and crocodile running down, man?
Yeah.
There was a night too, brother.
The crocodile running down.
What?
Hey.
A cat bush. Yeah. That was a night, bro, man.
Yeah. Leader, boy, Leader. Yeah. Leader should have there, you know. It's just one of those days, very, very sad, you know. So let me say, Paul is also we didn't grow up as well here in the community. I can tell you, when them go crab bush, the man say the crocodile run them down. You know, I want to escape, man.
No, chain line, man.
Oh, for the train line.
Yeah. See me talk about cold bumper phone, my brother. Brother, I never want to talk about my friend in the chat. I swear.
Yeah.
Remember, I just keep on the raps. Is it?
True. Okay, man. So, okay, man. Give me one of your favorite memory with Leader. You can remember about Leader. Yeah, man. Give me one of your favorite memory you can remember about Leader.
Leader was a good person. Him tell me the good things.
Yeah?
Him tell me good something.
Yeah.
Teach me the best way to play a ball.
Oh, Vass, you know I'm going to put you on the spot?
Yeah.
I know I'm going to put you on the spot. Because I want one of the favorite memories you can remember about our leaders, Skyers. Because you don't know, so you have the football association and you put on the tournaments them. You see me? But and we are sure them memories there, you know?
Yeah, true.
Yeah, you didn't tell you I'm going to put you on the spot, you know? So that's one of your favorite memories you can remember about leader. Ah, just make you laugh.
What do you memories still?
It's a lot. No,
from the football perspective, you know, say leader the hard man that put on a show.
Yeah.
See, what how simple the saver, so
extra
it upon, you know?
Yeah.
Like a bad flick and a bad dive and
alright, you see me tell the guys one thing with leader is that man we're extra. No matter how smart you make it so big, you have to laugh sometimes, you know.
Yeah, man.
And this is said the football organizer around here put on the tournaments as well to the year-to-year tournaments for the community. You know, we bring back love same and the community put on the tournament here as well too. So he's the one that one of them big up. So big up yourself, boss.
Cool.
Alright then. Telling about leader, you know, the man they give the extraness. Extra. The man just make you laugh. Trust me.
Kino eventually! Oh my, eventually meet Kino! Can't know where I stop watch, yeah.
Yeah?
I'm looking for the first.
Yes man, big up man. But imagine one time, we buy roots for but you never notice how me, you know.
Really?
Yeah! They right there, so I'm going to tell you, say, yo, you want something with energy, and you think I'm going to play football.
Yeah.
And you tell me, say, alright, don't drink that one up on empty stomach. And
Real thing, man.
Yeah.
I was before me start watching that.
Yeah, must. I'm good while the park. Right there, so.
Yeah, man, me ends this man. The man has style.
Hot feet.
The man has sell route.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Cooler,
man.
man.
I tell you that man has stop watching. Yeah.
Cooler, man.
So we couldn't find the youth, buddy.
Yeah, man, we find him already, man. Yeah, so I do a walk on a play some memory tribute, you know, because so people can remember about him. So that me a walk a day now, you know. We find him and everything, man, you know, and we give thanks. Have a closure now and that, you know. Respect for always I watch, man.
I realize we need Keen already.
Yeah, but through my head the dog, man, you never really take notice because you look down in your box. Yeah, so me want to go on the box, so you wouldn't even take notice. You know? You see it there. So it's the roots is here.
Before we came on, when you walked on the field.
Yeah, man, me always buy them from them, man. Now I always drink them, man. I tell you. Alright, respect. I wish you had this.
Roots Irishman.
Roots are Irishman. Strong boy. So the strong boy.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so good times, man. And big up, you know.
I realize me meet Keen already. John knows that. And me all here at the one day. I was the entire time, I started down and I said, blow bad. Keen know down here.
Yeah.
Keen know down here. I don't know so Keen know down here.
I don't know Keen live, man.
Yeah, man.
I don't know Keen. Ah, yo. Come here there. Alright, yeah, my general.
Yeah. It's perfect.
Alright. Ayo. We have Ayo here.
Blessing Keen alive.
Give me one of your favorite moments where you can remember with Omar leader Skyers.
Oh my God.
Let the bike pass.
Keen, I have so much.
Yeah.
Just the experience of him being my goalkeeper as his coach, where the development of the Hope United team is concerned. I even have to stop calling him Omar and Lead have to start calling him Mr. Skyers based on the word that he put out where all the football is concerned, being the first class keeper. Omar Skyers, leader, he's a king. He says he's a prince of Seaview and he gets that crown, that title.
Yes, sir.
So Mr. Skyers is a legend for all that he has done. And my greatest moment for Mr. Skyers is him being the first class goalkeeper for the Hope United team.
Yes, sir.
Hope it to be possible. May our condolence go to you, Mr. Skyers. No matter where the journey takes us, we'll always be here representing for you. That's a blessing. Keen alive.
That's a blessing, you know. That's a blessing.
That is
it. Moment. I'll go on.
Hi.
Give me one of your favorite moments.
Well, he was one of my customers. You loving chicken.
Yeah.
He always buy jerk chicken. And that's all when loving chicken and him buy loving pepper quality. Love the looking back of pepper something.
The hot spice.
Look at hot pepper thing. Me have to have that look of onion pepper something they will throw on him chicken.
Yeah.
Shabby,
come here now, man. Alright then, so that is mommy, you know, it's one of our favorite moments there made about I'm a leader. It's the hot feed, we know why. Yeah. Yeah. What him like?
The man that love the jerk chicken with the okra sauce. With the okra sauce?
Yeah.
And with the okra sauce, when we used to do the steamed fish, and that's how them man the favorite.
Yeah.
Yeah?
With the okra sauce.
Them man make me cook the okra sauce and put on it.
On the jerk chicken. Good one of your favorite moments with Omar leader Skyers. And your favorite moments where you can remember always will make you laugh. You know?
No, that man that ever make me laugh.
That I always say.
That's way for my life. Them man they ever make me laugh. My uncle never see the laugh. The last moment I never spend it with my friend. Yeah, cause I work in the morning and me hear say him sick. Yo, right now them things are too emotional. I come back at one part, I can't with a long talk, you know, I not lie, you know. No joke. But
that's a more share the happy moments.
Never a dull moment, bro. Right now if he was alive, I swear. I mean I hear him there saying a burial.
Yeah.
So what you say? Exactly. We don't have no dull moment, brother. From them man they run everything up, bro. I swear, we never have a dull moment, and my friend, you never know we miss you, yo. No joke.
Really miss.
No, touch me right now, G. No joke. I one of them things, the leader.
Come here, Slimmers. Tell me one of your favorite moments. May I come here about leader? This is one of your favorite moments. Wake up now. I can remember about leader will make you laugh. You know? Something will make you laugh about leader. Give me one of them. Just one. She's speechless. Yeah? Oh,
she's speechless, guys. Speechless.
Alright, see you for next time then, yeah?
So guys, that's leader's neighbor, you know. That's leader's neighbor. So that's why you say she could even say nothing. Bless him, General.
So somebody, I have a lot of time for listening to his thoughts on the NFL.
Come, subscribe my phone to you indeed. I know I'm not subscribe.
So just watch it.
Most of my TV.
TV.
Picks for week 5.
Subscribe
Redman.
to you indeed.
About the
one of your favorite moments.
That's the shit.
Hello. You watch it all the time. Big up.
Yeah, do you, bro?
Yeah, man. Give me one of your favorite moments you can remember with leader. Man, they always make you laugh, you know.
Yeah, man, leader, drama, man. But favorite moment still when a ball game still, you know. When a ball game and party time with you and leader still.
Yeah.
R.I.P. leader. Sad to say, is him, bro?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Alright. Yes, guys, I'm tell you. Oh, but you subscribe already, man.
Subscribe?
Yeah, you already subscribe to my channel. Let me show you the one.
Running the football. The Jaguars are hot and cold.
Like you already subscribe to the as well too.
Really?
For this one, big one.
Too many want to eat naturally. Come like it does happen.
Yeah, you do it and I know, so you do it. Ah, Spencer, look here, Spencer. Holy shit. Spencer, one moment. One of your favorite moments about leader now, you can remember one of your happiest moments with leader. You can remember about leader.
Right now, you know, I just good life me used to have with him, you know.
Yeah. Let's say love mommy. Let's say my.
Yeah, man. A good life me used to have with leader, man.
Cool man.
As a youngster.
Yeah.
Alright. You don't know.
French. You got yourself, man. Yeah, man. You want your favorite moment?
Yeah.
You can make you smile. You remember about leader.
I say football one day. I have to body him up and check name at time. Say, you know, I go burn down your house if you make a goal score door. Yeah, for real. I'm not joke. Tell him say 3 bills gas buy if you make a goal score. I'm a goalkeeper, we miss him. Up to now we miss him. Yeah, man.
Cheers.
Really goalkeeper, man. One leader, man. You hear that? R.I.P.
Yeah, man. Rest in peace.
Good life. You hear that?
Every time.
Leaders, players, artists. Go on.
All is well. Big up yourself.
Big up, you know. You see, they are going the right thing. I don't know, I'm acronym from Seaview Garden. You see? Yeah, big up Gritty always. You see, and big up the whole scheme. Yeah. That is it.
Give me one of the happiest moments where you can remember about leader.
Why? No one says still. I remember when one night time I come over and still and my mother tell me, say, youth, you can't do the right thing, man. Come to say as a youth, you're always humble, you know. So go and do the right thing, youth. You know, just go and do your dancing, but now a music me I do. You see it, so I'm sorry I'm never there now, can't hear some, you know? So my thing them me I go on with now, you see it, but
You know, he's a good youth in real life.
You can get something where relate to him. You can get a song where relate to him. Right now, like, yeah. And a miss you song. Come here do a song for your brother.
Yeah. You know,
that goes for everybody.
You know, I don't want to really get right now. You see, because through me able to get over my brother thing yet still.
Yeah.
You see, because just 1 year now I'm gone. You see, so I still a try for
recover.
Balance same way. You see, because my uncle look better when I'm losing it. You see, unfortunate circumstance where him just be at the wrong place at the wrong time, get shot, and one bag of foolishness happen after that. So you can't really, you know, on a side no, because I kind of dip on a different meds now. I try to come over it, so I really want to dwell in it. You see?
Then. Yeah, man. I got you.
That is it.
Alright then. Let me hear something then weird, man.
Alright. I wish me have 3 wish from a genie. The first one would have bring back my brother really. The last thing him tell me, work, don't stop putting it. No people are gonna hurt me for no reason. Tell you the truth, bro, I have no feelings. Me heart gone already broke up in a many pieces. Can't dream the same dream when I see my bro in. Again, cause we live bad, so you better protect your life. Born I get to me grow with the army style. Blessed with a voice and I try to do the right. Yeah. That is it.
That is it. Artists, look up yourself. Tell them what to find.
Yeah, you know, you can find them on all platforms, which is YouTube, Facebook, SoundCloud, Drees, everywhere you turn, you see my acronym. Yeah. That is it.
Yes, guys, so you understand? In memory of all my leaders, players. You know, Art feed say whenever leader come by him jerk chicken, I always want the okra on it. You know? Leader.
We are talking about the media.
Yeah, in a little boy.
The only man we know with the name when him leader next door to Leader Isle. Yeah, them man a warrior man. Them man the favorite thing when them man come here, sir. You see me? I jerk chicken, them man they love chicken. You hear me tell about chicken? Yeah. But them man they love the okra sauce on the chicken and best. Yo, them man then I left without him get the okra sauce. With the yam and everything in it. I saw them man they eat chicken. You see me? A first man me ever see do them thing there. Now listen to partial and I was so circling. Let's go and observe. This one me a bun good for a nerve. Leader. We miss you a lot, you know. Yeah man, you know the thing. Anytime we remember Sanja. Cause one day before Sanja memorial. You see me? So remember Sanja, remember Leader, remember Sanja. You see me? Yeah.
Yes.
You know the thing.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
I feed my shot. Like I make the peanut punch with the back.
You know.
You know,
I think.
There man, give me one of your favorite memories where you can remember with Leader, where always make you laugh.
Leader is a man when I take talk. When I tell him something, he just do film thing in one way.
Yeah.
But genuine out, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah man, really out, brother.
Always make you laugh, bro.
Yeah man. Yeah man, find something to make you laugh. Yeah man.
That's Leader himself.
Yeah,
so I can say you gotta do your thing in the day still.
Yeah,
see the oats and peanuts.
And wash him quick.
And wash him. Yeah, so strong up the back in the weather, yeah?
Yeah man.
First the rain and fall.
That's the right thing, you see?
Yeah. First the rain and fall. So there we get a lot of good memories, you know, because I say we're not gonna hear nothing negative about Leader, nothing at all. It's always
really
positive,
yeah? Yeah man. Man that joke if you know?
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Sorry for me.
Love party. Yeah.
Party animal, you know.
Yeah.
Sorry for no say yo the man gone like that as well, you know. Sad. But you want some of this now you blend up right now. These are the roots with Irish mass. Listen, this is how you need it right now, you know. Oh that!
Yeah, I know my father.
Hold on man.
Maker. Come give me one of your favorite moments. You can remember with leader. I want a Rosie.
I'm going to clean up coming at the evening.
Hello, good day, mama. Good day. One of your favorite moments where you can remember with leader. To make you smile.
Leader, he came here, I guess he came here when he was a baby with his mommy. And he was quiet, very, very quiet, no trouble at all, obedient, mannerable. Yeah.
Mama, what's up?
Always smiling. I'm here, darling.
Always smiling.
Yeah, always smiling. Yeah.
Beaker.
And cool going, you know.
Every time I see him at about 16 guano, you know, I get your picking them guano. What we have a dirty boy.
So I come on YouTube.
So I'm telling you guys one thing with leader, I was gonna hear something positive about him, you know, nothing at all that's negative.
Just smile now about you.
Always, you know, someone to make you laugh. If you hear someone talk something bad about him, they're most probably not on this earth. Trust me. You know, he's such a good guy. No.
Never. Hear me and call or nothing.
I know leader come by in a shop enough time.
Come to shop 16.
And he came to my shop on the Thursday. I think on the Thursday or the Wednesday night, come buy some from his son, and then he called and heard that he had.
Wow. That are the moments then we don't really want to remember. You know, that was painful part, you know. That's the last one. Cherry!
Cherry berry.
I know a leader come around here all the time, come by. I don't know who leader in trouble. Cherry, I laugh. Cherry. Alright, the rain is coming down, so you have to run to the rain. Alright, then take care. Alright, Mika. Cherry later. Leader come and shop here. Leader come and shop. Alright guys, the rain is coming down, so come on this rain now. The rain is coming down. There's a rain day today, you know. Alright, I'm not hear him.
I mean, up here so earlier and I said come buy something to go around, so that's why me tell you say around there and there.
I'm around there. Alright guys, so you know the thing goes already, so the rain is coming down, as you can see, look. Rain is coming down, so I'm gonna get out this rain, you know the thing goes, so anything else I'll be heading into Frenchtown, you know, and say thank you guys. Remember, whenever you're watching Key Life in Jamaica, as soon as you enter the live, please put the thumbs up, I need to get myself a drink, you know. Please remember, put the thumbs up when you're watching Kina Life in Jamaica. Just never forget to put the thumbs up, and I thank you guys so much, you know. Well, blessed love guys, blessed love. Welcome back to Kina Life in Jamaica. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, anywhere you're watching from. Welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. You know, I'm saying guys, we cannot thank you guys so much, you know, for what the condolence, the support that I get from all of you guys. Like, I've been bombarded with so many phone calls, you know, people calling, you know, to send them condolence, and they're glad that we literally will find a leader now, you know, so we can actually think about planning in the funeral now, you know. So they say they want to get some autopsy done, you know, so waiting on that as well too. Even though we know that he's been drowned, you know, but they still have to do the autopsy to see what he died from, head leak or whatsoever, you know, but you have to do the government thing. So we're waiting on that before we can go ahead and keep you guys posted about the funeral, you know, so we can know what's gonna happen, you know. But as you can see, the tribute that we paid for him at the football, you know, so we literally went through to the knockout stages, you know. So we just finished that match that you see was the group stages match, you know. All we need was a point to go through the group, so we advanced to the knockout stages, you know. So this is where everything is crucial. So we like literally, let's see, we have round of 16, quarter-final, semi-final and the final. So if we win these 4 matches, we are the champion for leader, you know. So we're gonna win these 4 matches, you know. It's not gonna be easy, but you know, we're gonna make it work, you know. We're gonna put that fight out, you know. But the game was really an intense game, you know. Everyone came out fighting, you know, and it was really intense. So yes guys, so thank you so much for the support. So alright guys, so we're in Trenchtown, so we're gonna get the road chef sink, and then see if we can get it installed today. So we're gonna call the dealer and see if he's alright. So there. What is that here? Hello, right? Who that?
Oh, see it, mama, see it.
Barney Bob.
I'm see something young put up a shine again.
Alright guys, so we're gonna head to Crossroad to get that sorted out and come back. So I mean, I wash it before I go and come back.
Yes man, twice man, you see it. Dig it man, you see me.
So get his sink so he can go and wash him plate and take. I want the waist S-strap. S-strap.
S-strap?
Yeah. S-strap, right?
Go to P-strap.
Say it again.
Regina, S-strap using this? Regina. No, the S-strap using it? S-strap? Yeah, video me? That's it?
This can be a thing down there.
Alright guys, so we got the kitchen sink now. So you know, installment. Well guys, so you know we're gonna install the sink now. Yeah. You know, today for the road chef, you know, so this is the next day, you know, cause yesterday we're gonna get caught up, you know, because we'd have to do some extra work on it back. So today now we're gonna finish, put it in. So we're gonna show you guys what's going on right now. So I hope you're having a wonderful day. You know, everything goes already.
I want thread tape. Thread tape now in something.
I want thread tape.
Yeah, I want elbow. I be a bend dead. That's about it.
So I forget to move. You want elbow?
Yeah, I want elbow. All of them are bend. The elbow will come up on this piece of pipe.
Okay.
And the next piece come down in this. I want the thread tape for tighten around the part here, all around them, you understand? So we just there go and framework it out. The thread tape want around this stuff. Let me figure out this and see if I want a thread in. We have the flex hose still. But we still have the flex hose. Alright, this is alright, this is how much? Oh, the thread tape. Now we have a want see one case with it. I'm going to see this angle for black. So there's a weed this elbow there and everything. So everything basically there. So we wait for the thread tape to fit up this.
So that's the thread tape you want?
And the elbow.
And the elbow.
Right. That's
any size elbow?
See,
that's the size?
See. Each and a half. One side, see, each and a half.
Okay. Go up and come back there.
Who are them?
No man. You see it there near enough. And the joiner there, me see. Just I'm glad to know we don't want to join and see it. Alright, what you go on now? You say you cut a piece of the pipe, you turn a pipe, let me see something. Wait now on the end point. You cut a piece of pipe here, I put a join upon this. Come underneath the sink. And the elbow now, I go the elbow because this is a bend, it's a buck this up. The elbow now, I go project, but I cut another piece of pipe to come all the way up on this. You can cut it off in as Joe total it is. See it? Joiner, piece of pipe, elbow. You understand? Yeah, so that it one. You can go so. You can bring it to the corner, put. You understand? Or you can just run right to the pipe. See the thing? Yeah. This will go here. Let me the pipe. I'm just going to cut off, measure and cut off to the axa. So when you cut axa, the double the place. Joiner, go yes so. Piece more of the pipe up on it, elbow. You understand? Yeah, right. This no man, I'm going at this. This and this are cut going at this. No, I saw it right. This and this?
Yeah.
Cut. Open at this. That's why I like them one, you see? I saw it come. All of them come. I want to tighten on. No, one here. Look at this there. This will go on it. And so this go up in and tighten up this. You understand? And next one there, right there. Don't go over there.
Just a tip up on that.
No.
You can't lick the neck right there.
One next neck.
So lick the neck will go up there now.
No, you know that. Come on. Alright, this works. So, this and this, we put it.
So, you know what's that pipe, one thing as well too?
I don't even know. Right, bro. Let's let me leave, man. Yeah, man. Sit down.
Alright, so I'm going to get the thread tape and come back then?
Yeah,
on the elbow. Inch and a half elbow.
This goes so. This now with one of them here. Wait there. One of them here. One more of them here turn down on this so. And screw up on top of that. And it may look for. You know want to cut it for the other than it's go up in this so. And tight up on it. You understand?
Look at that.
I wish you the last month.
The original way to turn up.
Yeah, but the pipe still have to go in right.
Because you know, if you truly have a small neck, a small neck, we're going this up, we lock onto the 4-inch basket. But you don't have that, you don't see that.
So we'll make shift it and come back. Alright, I get it.
Man. So like, so it go. One goes so. Next one tighten down so.
You see, not to tightness of turn next way.
Alright, yeah, obvious deal. I'm so far with it. Come, go, don't forget the thread tape.
Yeah.
And an inch and a half elbow, right?
Yeah.
We're going to go up and move along. Alright guys, so we're gonna get the 2 before 20, you know, and also, you know, we have an announcement to make, you know, so for anyone that's in and around Trenchtown, you know, and the outside anywhere you are, and you can get to Trenchtown on the 8th of November, you know, we have some nurses. We have some nurses coming to here in Trenchtown, you know, so
we're gonna do some screening as well to here in Trenchtown and 7th Street. Inside that center. We call it Jai-Town, right? Jai-Town Center, right here on 7th Street, across from the police station. So it's gonna be over there on the 8th of November. You know, we got some nurse coming down, you know, because I'm say we already organized everything, you know, we sorted out everything and the date already set, you know, so it's going to be over there in the center. So if anybody want to get any health checkup, any checkup at all, they can come and they do some screening, you know, so yeah. So I'm say we already get the place sorted out, and we get over there with the concrete up, everything is ready, you know, so the whole thing left for us to get now is the chairs them to go over there. So we're going to do the health screening over there, that building Jai-Town Center, on the 8th of November.
Yeah, man, because the man in there, still a go around and help the people and bring them coming up. Yeah. Because enough of the people don't send, they really know what go on. But in the morning, I bring them around, man. And then the people phone them, man. Yeah, man, all of the elder people want to take check-up. Just check the 8th in the morning there. I come phone in the morning there. Yeah. Walk around and tell them the site I go on up there, you know. Yeah. The 8th, I don't really check for the 8th and say house date, you know, but it can be a Wednesday or Thursday.
It's a Friday.
A Friday, same thing. It's a Monday day, that Friday, so we don't know people, you see. You see me, Ben John today, so we look on 8th of next month, yeah. 8th of next month, man, up and
I'm general, cool, man.
Up and down.
Yeah, man, guys, as I say, if you're watching here and close by, you can spread the word, you know, if you're free, you want to come get a checkup, you know, you can have health screening going on, you know, and they will assist us in any way we can, and we appreciate from the Sunrise team, you know, from the USA, you know, we give thanks and we appreciate them so much. So on the 8th of November, yeah, that's what will be going on over there at the center, you know. So guys, as I say, it's really a blessing for this, you know, to be happening, so we can help out and assist the elders them. So we can assist and help out the elders then here in the community, you know. And if you're outside the community, you're more than welcome to come get your health checkup same way, you know. So remember, book the date. I'll be keep announcing it, you know, on my program. So I'll keep reminding you guys, just in case if you forget the date, and then we will continue doing so till when time the day has arrived, you know. So we also try to do a live stream about it as well, so we can get people to come along, you know? So we're here at the hardware, gonna get a 2 before 20, so we can frame out the Wow Chef kitchen cupboard.
Oh, this
Chinese. Chinese. You see the Chinese? You see my friend, she a real Chinese. You see the Chinese? You see my friend, she a real Chinese. We come up at the hardware to get some free board. Board. We come up at the hardware to get some free board. Board. Chinese, you see the Chinese. Board.
Oh, nice. And then I want a length of 2 before 20.
No, 2 before?
16. Almost 16.
No, can buy the 16. I would say, come and buy when I must need the whole 20, you know.
Yeah, you're the 16.
You're the 16. So we're getting a 2 before 16 from the Chinese for free. So we're celebrating Chinese Day today, Christmas Day, so there you are. Thank you so much.
You know?
Thank you so much. Good. Now start hiding, come here, you can't hide. Right. You know where you run, go find you.
2,550.
1,550? What you said, 1,550? Thank you for the knockoff. Right? Go to the window and pay 1,550, right? 1,550. That is my Chinese friend. Joe, she's an Indian, yeah? Indian. So, Wow Chef, have a donation from Maridi, you know, she sent to help to pay the builder as well too, because you know we always have to pay the builder by whenever his work. So Maridi sent us a donation to help pay a day cost as well too. I will give thanks, I will thank her so much. So she sent a donation of $7,000 from Maridi. You know our Maridi already, we thank you so much. She's also our moderator. Thank you so much, Maridi. And she sent $7,000 for the whole chef to us whenever we pay in the builder.
Yeah, man. Maridi, yeah, man. All the blessed enough love, you know. Builder there, you know, because, you know, one more body in the day have to do it, you know. So, him the man right now, so. Maridi, all the blessed and respect, you know. Enough love, you know. You see me, I say Maridi. So, God bless you, you know.
Yeah.
Every time, you know. Enough love, yeah. Thank you very much, you know, Maridi.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Thank you very much, you know, so. This can help out the builder for your thing, see?
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Maridi, man. Blessed love, you know.
Alright, so we'll give thanks and big up yourself, Maridi. We thank you so much, you know.
Yeah, man.
Thank you so much. Blessed love every time, you know, the thing goes already. So, as you can see, you know, the pipe, you see there. Wow, chef, look what's going on now, man. Kitchen sink up and running. So we get the thread tape there, so wrapping on the thread tape.
Yeah, c'est still cut a piece of that. French one, yeah, side yeah.
Want something to eat? This.
Do I eat? Yeah,
do I eat?
Newspaper, paper, cardboard. This guy. How are you there?
I'm there, man.
Tell me that short, yo.
No, I'm in there at this time.
Oh.
So do it, I look for. Yeah, look. Deal with the issue, you know?
Okay. For the issue solved.
Yeah. See this? This. I'm gonna find out more night. This is one more. This is this. But one next one of this. They lock here, so.
Okay.
Finish it, but I'm gonna find none in it. So the gentleman must have said, no man, bend it down there, sir. Eat it down there, sir. Eat it, yeah. Yeah. Just hold it, hold it.
Wow, kitchen sink in.
It's a light, wait a minute.
Sit there.
Yeah, hold it up, you know. Hold it up, like here.
Like it, sit there.
Okay, now.
Wait a minute, you know. I can't believe it.
Put it on top. Yeah.
Move me out of this, you know. Yes, move. I want to live by him.
Let me.
Yeah.
I got some for it up. I use the black. Black could I use it?
Hold it up.
Can't remember what it name. If you have one more like it, write us up. You understand what I'm saying?
That's the...
Yeah.
Suppose that one
in them, no. This got time. This got time for the top pipe when you get. You know in them, you dig down the hole like that.
This the one.
Yeah, male. No man. Shit. Like it the name Chedi Gina, you know. But outside, I must say the female or something like that. It's a Gina, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, I still remember the name, man.
Yeah, nearly.
School,
See?
Yeah. Because when you make cast have more space than that one there. Because through the venting area where they are so. Now if I breathe, so the more space it have, the breeze can come in more. Yeah, wait for it.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kyria Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.